Whoa. Yeah. Oh my, wow. Whoa. Those are really good.
Can you hear me now?
I can.
This is crazy. That's incredible.
That's crazy. Can you hear better?
Oh, wow.
Yeah?
Yes.
You can tell the difference like right away.
That is so loud.
That's amazing. They're great.
I'm hearing things a lot better now.
Wow, I don't want to take it out because I can hear so much better.
I ordered the Audien hearing aid and I've been very happy.
I really like the Atoms. I've been using them for a couple weeks now.
My hearing has improved greatly. I've gone from a sound volume of 40 on the television down to 19 on the television. I'm very pleased with them.
They're convenient to use. They charge within their own case, which makes them even more convenient to use.
It is one of the best things I've ever invested in. They work beautifully.
I can't believe how they are for the price. I give them 5 stars.
I really noticed the difference compared to others that I've used. I'm very pleased with the Atoms, and I intend to keep using them.
Please try them. You will like them.
Mom, can you hear me? I'll never miss my kids calling my name or hearing the phone ringing ever again. These are the Audien Atoms. I can't believe I was able to buy these online without having to go to the doctor and getting a prescription. I can hear every sound so clearly, and it's super easy to adjust the volume. They're nearly invisible and so comfortable, I forget I'm even wearing them. I love that I can just easily charge them at night and I'll have 20 hours of use. They offer a 45-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. If you or someone you know is hard of hearing, trust me, you need to get these.
I was in the market for hearing aids and I was totally confused, but I came across one that I wanted to share with you, and it is the Audien Atom. Let me tell you why I love this one so much. It comes with its own charging dock, and I'm going to get 20 hours of use with each charge. You're going to get a 45-day love-it guarantee, and you're going to have constant customer support through their website. They are discreet, they're easy to apply into your ears, and no background noise. Plus, you need no prescription to order these. So go to audienhearing.com today and check out the Audien Atom. You won't be sorry.